guys, welcome back to Entrepreneur.Regardless Rebranded. I hope you guys have missed me because I have missed you guys so much. So in today's video, I want to teach you guys 4 must-have business skills for any startup or any beginner entrepreneur. So in case this video is for you, keep on watching. I have previously talked about these skills in one of my first videos after I rebranded, and the video is how to create wealth with high income skill. So in case you haven't watched that video, just click up here and you're going to be able to see the video that I'm talking about. Tip number 1 is digital marketing. It's the marketing of products and services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet. This can be using your smartphone, your iPad. There are 2 types of digital marketing: online marketing and offline marketing, whereby online is social media, affiliate, websites, email, mobile, while offline is mainly radio, SMS, billboards, TV. I started a company known as Yummy Rabbits Kenya, and 2 types of marketing. One is social media marketing, whereby you are marketing your products and services using social media platforms. Other forms of marketing that we are looking to do are email marketing, which you guys should also do in your businesses as a startup. Try your best to be able to collect emails for all your customers, because you're going to be able to communicate to them if you have sales, if you have giveaways, if you have discounts, if you have collaborations. And 2, website marketing. Website marketing can also be linked with search engine optimization, whereby your website is able to capture people on the internet, and they search rabbits in Kenya, your website pops up, especially if you've optimized your page efficiently, whereby it's obvious that it's rabbits, so you're going to be able to be found. So yes, those are the current digital marketing methods we are using as Yummy Rabbits. 2, my favorite of them all is copywriting. So let me give you an insight. I don't mean this copywriting, I mean this copywriting. Copywriting with the WRITING. Copywriting means basically writing text for the purpose of advertising. So you're mostly giving people a nice way of selling without really selling. Let me show you what I mean. You can see it saying fresh new gym smell, and then cancel anytime without pretending you've moved, and then it finishes for and your mac and cheese tonight. If you look at this and the pictures right next to it, you can tell it's a gym, and it's very fun and interesting. Other than telling me
we have free memberships, we are only signing up today.
Like, it's interesting, like fresh new gym smell. Like, it's summer, you're thirsty, we've got sales targets. Basically what they're trying to say is, I know you're thirsty, and I gotta hit my sales target, so buy oasis and then I'm gonna meet my target. FCK, which is KFC, but you know what they're trying to imply. And if you read down there, they're like, we're sorry, as it's just fun. And I can show you so many others. There's one here, open the happy can by Coca-Cola. You can tell the can was closed and then now it's been open, and it's just like, you guys, copywriting is such fun. It's meant to be funny, creative, crazy, satirical, but with copywriting you really need to maintain staying within context, because you don't want your consumer wondering, what the hell are you talking about? So yes, that is copywriting. I want to show you one post here where we did a caption asking who can chug better, a rabbit or a human, because we had taken a video of a rabbit drinking water, but we thought, what's fun of you seeing a rabbit drinking water? There's really no fun about it. 3 is photography and videography. Let me tell you, if you're starting up a business, you really gotta know these 2 things. Being in the center frame, having the right contrast and saturation and sharpness, especially if you're product-based businesses, you really ought to take nice pictures and edit and photos and posts and stories. When you're not around, the customer is able to understand what you're about. They can go to your feed or they can go to your page and they're like, okay, I can see you do rabbits, Olive. I can see, I see your packaging is top notch. I can see your rabbit, the pictures, I can see what you feed them. Basically, pictures and photos and videos are able to communicate to your customer, especially when you're really not available. 4th point is sales/negotiation skills. I have done a video about how to attract paying clients with little to no experience. That video has helped me as well with my business, and you guys can check it out up here. Know who to sell to. You guys, let me tell you the truth. You do not gain by selling to anyone and everyone. You honestly don't. Let me say it one more time. You don't gain when you're trying to sell to anyone and everyone. You gotta know who you're selling to. And I thought because people eat rabbits, people eat meat, you should be obliged to eat rabbit meat. It's not like that, so you really have to know who you're selling to. Let me tell you today, you don't really have to sell to everyone. You don't. Find your ideal customer, and when you find them, there are two things you gotta tick as well. Do they have the ability to sell? Two, which is the key important thing, is they gotta have the desire to buy your product. As you know yourself, you afford the things you want. So already, if you create your product around desire, you're gonna get customers flowing in like rain. You got to understand what motivates your clients. You guys, the amount of selling articles I'm currently reading, like you have to understand what motivates your client. Like, what do they want to hear, so that when they see it, they're like, oh, they know what I want. Like for me personally, let me give an example. What do I buy? I'm giving my secrets out as a customer, unfortunately, but I'm into, for example, turbans and satin bonnets. I desire to hear someone telling me before I buy my bonnet, dries faster, the fabric is good quality, it's not gonna snap my hair, and immediately I'll be like, I think I want that, because they're saying what motivates me to buy that shit. Like, because in my head I'm just like, I want one that's gonna dry fast. When I wash it, I want it to dry so that I can even wear it the same day. I want one that even if I don't wear my satin bonnet, okay, you know what, this doesn't even make sense to the guys, but you get what you mean. You gotta understand what motivates your customer. My customers are motivated by health. They want high quality food that meets all their nutrition needs in terms of protein, in terms of fat, in terms of caloric value. So I already get that. So how can I make it sell? Key to selling is not to oversell. Don't be that guy who talks about their product over and over again. I am so guilty of that, but I am learning that. If you want to know who I'm going to be interviewing next, also known as someone who I bet you know because she's been on our TV screens before, I want you to click that notification bell. Though I have already told my Instagram family who I'm going to be interviewing, so in case you don't follow me on my Instagram, Olive_Nkirote, go check out who I'm going to be interviewing and stay tuned for that video next week. I know you're gonna love her. She's so interesting, she's fun. Now if you want to learn more about business, about personal development, about entrepreneurship in general, I want you to click these two links down below, here. Yes, click them down below and be able to watch other videos that I'm currently doing at Olive_Nkirote Rebranded. Otherwise, I want you guys to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. I love you guys, and bye. See you on the next video with a famous person.